for some of the delegates from District 8. I'm Jared Velasquez. We're going to be going over maintaining your credibility, helping your attorneys, and reasonable inferences.
When you talk to a friend, you want them to believe what you say, right? Well, the same is true when you're a witness in the courtroom. You want to be friendly, polite, and sincere. Credibility is everything. Becoming credible as a witness is as easy as laying a good foundation, whether that be an expert witness's education and experience, or just a solid background to a witness's testimony, is dependent upon the individual witness.
Never be snappy, sassy, or hostile as a witness. These are not good strategies. You may, however, really get into your character. This is where you can do a little bit of acting. You can put on a lab coat, do an accent, or maybe even wear a fluffy scarf to make your character seem more interesting.
You give your testimony without the aid of notes or papers. As a witness, is there anything else you can do besides just answering questions? Yes, there is. By how you answer the question, you can alert your attorney to a possible objection. For example, you could say, "I speculate so," or, "If I were a doctor, I imagine that would be the case." Yes.
Next, there is something called a reasonable inference. Usually you'll want to stick to the facts presented in the case materials, but sometimes you can expand on certain details to make more sense with your theme or case. For example, you may want to explain how a witness knows a fact. If you're asked how, you can explain as long as it is consistent with the affidavit. If a witness affidavit said this person is a good driver, you could definitely say you know this because you've ridden with them before.
There are limits to reasonable inference. If your affidavit says you sometimes make music videos locally, you can't say that you produce music videos for Justin Bieber. Sorry. But here are some tips for witness credibility. You can be polite, confident, and loud, never sassy or snippy. You can answer the questions. You're always supposed to stick with your affidavit, and most importantly, don't get impeached.
When you talk to a friend, you want them to trust what you say, right? Well, the same is true when you're a witness in the courtroom. You want to be friendly, polite, and sincere. Credibility is everything. All right, we're good?
Yeah, we're good.